Hey guys, welcome to Live Blogger. Today in this video we are going to talk about the top 3 free website building CMS platform. If you're planning to build a website to give your business or yourself an online presence but you do not have any programming skills, thankfully there are some free website builders that can help you to create high quality and great looking website free of cost. So let's go ahead and find out the top 3 free CMS platform. Starting our countdown, on number 3 is Webnode. Webnode is known for being one of the best drag and drop editors to create a website or a blog. Webnode continues to improve itself every year with several new features added free of cost with hardly very few limitations. But it does have a limit to its storage of 100 megabytes, which makes it feasible for small business or personal sites only. Webnode has more than 50 templates to choose from different varieties, and the editor is quite easy to use, making it simple for newbies to customize any page with the design they want. There are no limits to the number of projects you can create, as much as you can. If you feel these features are good enough for you, you can go ahead and start building your website with Webnode. In our top 3 list, on number 2 is Webley. Webley is known for being one of the most user-friendly CMS platform that can be used to build a professional or an e-commerce website. It includes large library of professionally designed themes and features like built-in editor, tons of add-ons, video background, Instagram feeds, and many more. With the free plan, you'll get the basic features, but storage is limited up to 500 megabytes and you cannot connect custom domains unless you upgrade. However, Webley provides you personalized domain and email address, for example your website name.webley.com. The free account is a great choice if you want to test Webley or launch a temporary website. Now let's check out the number 1 free website building CMS platform. In our top 3 list, Blogger has acquired the first place. When it comes to free blogging, Blogger is one of the best CMS platform because it is owned by Google, where anyone can build a website free of cost without any coding skills. It is best for the beginners because of its amazing features like immediate setup, better speed, easy to use, and it's free from hacking. There are no hosting charges. All you need is a Google account to create a free profile and you are all set to build a website. Blogger provides you a free domain, but still if you want your own domain, you can purchase it from GoDaddy or any other domain provider. If you're a beginner, then Blogger will be the best CMS platform because it doesn't have any limits to its storage. So these were the top 3 free website builders where you can easily create a website without spending any money. Now it's up to you which one to choose. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you want us to keep posting such useful content, please do not forget to leave a like, comment, and do subscribe to our channel.